Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through a cybersecurity lab focused on diagnosing network slowness using a powerful tool, Security Onion. We are setting the stage for a real-world scenario that every security analyst might face. You are the security analyst for a small corporate network, and you've noticed a major problem. Your network is extremely slow. Your task is to use Security Onion to determine the exact cause of this severe network performance degradation. The first crucial step in diagnosing this issue is accessing the monitoring tools provided by Security Onion, specifically Kibana. You need to log into the Security Onion server at the IP address 192.168.0.101. Use the provided credentials to gain access. Once logged in, navigate directly to Kibana. This powerful visualization tool will be where you start your investigation. Now that you're in Kibana, the real investigation begins. We need to find evidence to explain the network slowness. Thoroughly examine both the Discover and Dashboard pages within Kibana to get a complete overview of network activity. Pay close attention to any unusual traffic patterns or alert events. Anomalies are key indicators of a security issue. Based on the evidence reviewed in Kibana, the most likely culprit behind the extreme network slowness is a denial of service, or DOS, attack. Unlike other common issues, a DOS attack causes slowness by intentionally flooding your network with excessive malicious traffic, completely overwhelming resources. Let's summarize the key findings from your investigation. The network slowdown is confirmed to not be due to hardware malfunctions, weak Wi-Fi signals, or basic connectivity failures. Instead, the data points to malicious traffic saturating the network bandwidth, which is consistent with a confirmed denial of service attack. This highlights the critical importance of continuously monitoring dashboards and traffic logs in Kibana to quickly identify these abnormal and malicious spikes in activity. This lab successfully demonstrates the power of Security Onion in diagnosing performance issues through in-depth traffic analysis. You've witnessed firsthand how a tool like Security Onion leverages network data to pinpoint the true cause of performance degradation. You have successfully learned how to access Kibana, interpret various data points, and accurately identify a denial of service attack as the root cause of the problem. By following these steps, you've reinforced the necessity of proactive monitoring in cybersecurity defense to catch malicious activity before it cripples your network.